Before we start, I'd like to say a big thank you to Plum, the sponsor of this video. If you're someone who struggles to save consistently, Plum is an all-in-one app that brings saving, investing and budgeting together in one convenient place. Taking an automation-first approach, the app connects to your bank account and intelligently analyses your spending, automatically setting aside affordable amounts of money for you. It's a seamless, hands-free way to help you effortlessly build long-lasting financial habits. When you're ready to grow your wealth, Plum is also incredibly beginner-friendly. The service is highly accessible with a minimum investment of just £2. To learn more and start automating your finances, click the link in the description or head to withplum.com to download the Plum app today. Please note, when investing, your capital is at risk. The value of your investments can fall as well as rise, and you may get back less than you invested. Plum Fintech Limited is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. You will need to review periodically that automation is suitable for your circumstances. So you want to start investing, but there are so many apps out there, you just don't know which one to choose. So what I'm going to do is go through the best investing apps in the UK right now, and I'm going to break them down by the type of investor they are most suited for. So it will make it easy to understand which app is right for you. I'm going to be running through an article on the Money to Message website. We'll put a link to it in the notes so you can go through and read it at your own leisure and look at all the details for the different services and apps that we talk about. It's worth pointing out that I don't include some of the big investment platforms out there, so Interactive Investor and Hargreaves Lansdown. And that's because they're not app first. So we're just focusing on the propositions that are more digital and app friendly. So let's start with people who want to take a hands-off approach, where they want the app to manage the investments for them. Now, these options are great if you just want to get into investing and you're happy to let the experts take the reins. You'll typically have to answer a few simple questions about your financial goals and how you feel about risk, and then the app or platform will build and manage a suitable investment portfolio on your behalf. The big names in this part of the market are Wealthify, Moneyfarm and JP Morgan Personal Investing. And you can see on screen we've got an article where we compare the performance of various portfolios from each of those. And now you won't choose something just based on past performance, because past performance is not indicative of future returns, but it is something that people are interested in. But let's focus now on the investing apps. And these are for people who want to take control of their investments and make their own choices. Now, there are several of these do-it-yourself type apps available, and we're going to go through a few of them in turn. We have full independent reviews of each of the apps that I mention in this video. So if you like the look of any of them, then make sure you click on the relevant link in the details below. If you're a beginner investor and you're looking for an app to get started with, then Plum is worth looking at. It's a money app that makes it incredibly simple to get started, and you can begin investing from as little as £2. It offers a choice of up to 26 funds with varying risk levels, as well as 3,000 individual US stocks. Another option that's worth looking at is Quilter Invest. So if you want to start small, this app lets you invest with just £10, and you can choose from a range of exchange traded funds or ETFs, as well as shares, and you can tailor your portfolio based on your lifestyle and interests. Another interesting option is Bell Dodl. So this is provided by one of the UK's largest investment platforms, Bell. So Dodl is a low-cost app offering ready-made themed funds alongside access to UK and US shares, and you can get started with a £100 lump sum or by setting up a regular monthly investment of £25. Bell Dodl also offers one of the best rates of interest on uninvested cash, unlike some platforms that don't pay any interest at all. Bell Dodl overall offers a wide range of options. It doesn't offer the widest range of shares that you can access, for example, but it allows you to do a bit of everything. Shares investing, it has funds, it even gives you access to some of Vanguard's popular life strategy funds. If you are somebody who wants to buy and sell shares, but also invest in mutual funds, then Freetrade is an interesting option. It doesn't charge any commission fees for buying and selling shares. There will be FX fees for buying US shares, but Freetrade has recently added over 1,000 mutual funds to its growing list of investment options. But that then leads me very nicely onto Trading 212. If you are into trading US shares, then it has incredibly low FX fees of just 0.15%. It also offers a huge choice of commission-free assets, and it's incredibly user-friendly and has some useful video guides to help you learn along the way. If you're interested in copying other traders, then eToro is the standout choice because it offers a feature called Copy Trader, which allows you to automatically replicate the trades of other investors. Finally, Moneybox is worth mentioning because of its popular roundup feature, which allows you to invest or save your spare change when you're out shopping. The only downside when it comes to investing through Moneybox is it can be quite expensive for those with smaller portfolios because it charges a £1 monthly fee alongside its annual 0.45% platform charge. So in summary, your choice of investment app ultimately comes down to what you want to invest in and how involved you want to be. So if you want experts to manage your money for you, then JP Morgan Personal Investing, Wealthify or Moneyfarm are possible choices. If you prefer to choose your own investments, then apps like Plum, Quilter Invest, Bell Dodl, Freetrade, Trading 212, eToro and Moneybox are all worth a look. Make sure that you compare the types of investments that you want to invest in and whether the apps offer them, but also the cost of investing through them. As always, remember that with all investing, your capital is at risk and you may get back less than you invested. And make sure you check out the links in the details below where you can access all of the reviews of all of the apps I have just mentioned. As I mentioned earlier, I haven't picked every app out there, but these are my top picks. If there are any apps out there you think I should have included, then make sure you leave a comment and tell me why you really like that particular investing app.